Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and proximity. Charge the keyboard to at least 20% or fit fresh batteries, then enable Bluetooth on your iPad. Next, put the keyboard into pairing mode, refer to its button or switch, and keep it within 1 meter of the iPad to avoid interference. Once done, tap the keyboard name in Settings Bluetooth to pair. If using a smart connector keyboard, line up the pins and attach the case. Pairing is automatic, but ensure the connector area is clean. If pairing fails, tap the info icon next to the keyboard in Bluetooth and choose Forget this device. Then restart Bluetooth and rescan. Make sure your iPad is on the latest iPad OS. Updates often fix keyboard bugs, so go to Settings General Software Update before retrying. For smart connector keyboards, visually inspect the 3 metal pins and the keyboard contacts for dust or lint. Gently clean with a dry microfiber cloth. Also test with another iPad or phone to isolate whether the keyboard or iPad is at fault. Finish by opening notes and typing through all keys, including Shift, Command, and numbers, to confirm correct mapping. If keys are intermittent, perform a soft reset of the iPad. Hold the power and volume button until you see the slider, then restart, or reset network settings if Bluetooth remains unstable. If the keyboard still misbehaves, test it on another device to confirm hardware failure. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, a factory reset or contacting the keyboard manufacturer or Apple support is usually the fastest resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.